In this video, I will show you how to download Roblox on PC. Now, there's actually two ways you can download Roblox, so I'm going to go through both of those with you now. The first way to do this is to open up a new internet browser, come across to google.com and Google search for download Roblox. Now, once you've done that, you want to click onto the top result. So the official website is roblox.com/download. And from here, you can click onto the download Windows app button. Now, what that's going to do is download the installer onto your PC. Just click to run it. And after a couple of minutes, Roblox is going to install and you'll be able to start playing that on your PC. Now, if you are on a Windows PC, there's another way to do this. What you can do from your desktop is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, you want to type store and then open up the Microsoft Store underneath Best Match. Once you've opened up the store, come up to the search box at the top, and what you want to do is just search for Roblox. You're going to see it's going to come up on the Microsoft Store, so you can click to be taken to the game page. And from here, what you want to do is click the blue Get or Install button here, which is also going to download Roblox on your PC. So that's how to download Roblox on PC. Make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe for more simple Roblox and tech tutorials. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you for watching this quick video and I will see you guys in the next video.